Hundreds of thousands of people took to the streets this past weekend to protest gun violence. Organizers of the student-led March for Our Lives rallies are calling it the start of a movement and a wake-up call for Congress ahead of this year's midterm elections.
The pressure is on for every person in power, and it will stay that way because they know what is coming. They know that if there is no assault weapons ban passed, then we will vote them out.
The latest Fox News poll found overwhelming support for specific gun control measures, including 91% of voters who are in favor of universal background checks on all gun buyers. 72% support raising the minimum age to buy a gun to 21, and 60% favor banning assault rifles and semi-automatic weapons.
When the motion is adopted without
Congress did include several reforms in its $1.3 trillion spending bill last week, strengthening background checks and providing funding for school safety measures. But activists argue those measures aren't enough, and Democrats are hoping that frustration will help them in November.
The activism of these young people is actually changing the equation.
Gun control will be a complicated issue for Democrats, particularly in the Senate, where they're defending seats in states like West Virginia, North Dakota, Missouri, and Indiana, where there is strong support for the Second Amendment.
They have to be careful about embracing gun control on a national level when there are going to be states and districts that are not going to go for that.
Retaking the House won't be easy for Democrats either, though. The latest Fox News poll found a tightening race in voters' candidate preference, with 46% saying they'd back the Democratic candidate in their district compared to 41% for the Republican. That is a very different picture from October, though, when Democrats were up by 15.